Hi everyone. Today I'm going to tell you about a small but very powerful tool from Amazon that can be extremely useful for anyone who works with electronics. It's the compact FNIRSI DPS-150 DC-DC converter, which allows you to regulate voltage with high precision and can easily replace a full laboratory power supply. Before we begin, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps the channel grow and motivates me to create more reviews. Let's get started. The device arrives in a small compact box. It's minimalistic, but everything inside is securely fixed in place. The manufacturer didn't add anything unnecessary, only what you actually need. The packaging looks neat and reliable, and the contents stay in place during delivery, which is especially important for electronics. Inside the box you'll find the converter itself, a connection cable, and a manual. The device looks clean, simple, and very minimalistic. The body is small and lightweight, making it comfortable to hold with one hand. On the front panel, there's a display with large readable digits that remain clear even at an angle. The buttons are positioned conveniently and are easy to press, so the device is practical for both beginners and experienced users. Overall, it feels like a pocket-sized version of a professional lab power supply. The FNIRSI DPS-150 allows you to adjust output voltage and current with high accuracy. It reacts instantly to changes and shows all parameters on the screen. It can power small circuits, boards, modules, and other electronic components. You can use it for repairs, testing, or building DIY projects. The device works stably and doesn't heat up much, which is important for longer sessions. Thanks to its compact size, you can easily carry it around and use it anywhere. The main advantage is its size. It's compact enough to fit in your pocket, yet powerful enough to replace a full laboratory power supply for many everyday tasks. It provides stable, accurate values, which helps you set voltage without risking damage to components. The screen is bright and the large digits make it comfortable to work even in low light. For its price on Amazon, the functionality looks very impressive, making it a great choice for anyone who wants a universal tool without spending too much. It may not have enough power for very demanding projects that require high current. The body, although comfortable, isn't drop protected, so you need to handle it carefully. Because of its compact size, connecting thicker wires or non-standard connectors can sometimes be inconvenient. It also requires an external power source, since it has no built-in supply, which isn't always convenient in field conditions. However, these drawbacks are minor for its class. The FNIRSI DPS-150 leaves a very positive impression. It's the kind of tool you always want to have nearby. Its small size and wide range of functions make it a universal helper for repairs or working with microelectronics. It's suitable for beginners and experienced technicians alike. It's lightweight, precise, and very straightforward to use. If you're looking for a compact power supply for your projects, this Amazon model is one of the best options in the budget segment. Thanks for watching this video till the end. If you enjoyed the review, make sure to like it and subscribe. Tell me in the comments which Amazon tools you want to see in the next videos. See you in the upcoming reviews.